Here's a quick review of the Launch X431 PRO ELITE. This one is a corded scan tool, which is actually preferred because it keeps the battery charged on this at all times whenever it's plugged up. It's got full bi-directional controls. It's got all of the tests that are needed to get through and do all the services that you end up doing on a regular basis. Your main diagnostic stuff's run through here. All your service functions are all going to be run through here. You have over 30 of them. Stuff from simple stuff like oil maintenance to injector coding, window calibration and stuff here. Stuff for doing your brakes and stuff up here. So I've used those actually several times as I've been checking this thing out. And it's been really, really handy, really steady on working through all different makes and models. I've worked with Porsche, BMW, Toyotas, Mazdas, Volvos, any of them. It has done everything flawlessly. I've been quite happy with that. It's got some other features here which are really cool. You've got your tool box. You can add Oscilloscope. I've used a regular bore scope from another tool altogether. It worked flawlessly, no issues there. You can add other sensor modules to this. It is really a full-fledged tool. You've got your own browser. It's got an email relay that you can run through. The other cool things is that this does is the graphing on this is fantastic. So when you're doing your diagnostics, you can add multiple things and look at those all at one time. Let me get that pulled up and I'll show you. All right, so I've pulled up some of the main data stream in the PCM. You can notice you've got 189 PIDs you can pick from, and that I've seen that go up to 300. So you definitely have plenty of information if you want to look at different stuff on graphing. This will pull up to 8 at one time. If there's something that I want to look at in specifically one particular one, I can do that. You can add. Let me pull that up here. You can add as you want and then subtract as you want. So that really, really helps in checking how things are related to each other. Also, if I get a lot of information on the screen and I want to see how this works over a long period of time, I can shrink that down, look at a lot longer time frame, or if I want to get real close and real tight and look at detail, I can certainly do that too. Man, this thing is just fully featured. It's a steal. At the prices you're at here, you can't beat this. This is gonna blow away any of your other main competitors, certainly anything off the tool truck. So I have nothing but a full recommendation on this one.